How to play Phasmophobia on Oculus Quest 3. Phasmophobia isn't a native Quest 3 title, so you won't find it in the Meta Store. Instead, you'll need a gaming PC with the game installed on Steam, since it's a PC VR title. Once you've got that, you can connect your Quest 3 using a link cable for the smoothest and most stable experience. Or go wireless through AirLink or virtual desktop if your Wi-Fi is strong. After pairing your headset to the PC, just launch Stream VR, set up Phasmophobia, and you'll be hunting ghosts in full VR. It takes a bit of setup since it's not standalone, but the immersion is next level. Using your hands to grab tools, open doors, and communicate with the ghosts makes the game way scarier than playing on a flat screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content.